Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Cochlear Mini Mic too. First, make sure your sound processor is active and within a close range, about 1 meter, of the Mini Mic 2. Next, locate the on/off switch on the Mini Mic 2 and slide it to the on position. You should then see a green indicator light begin to blink, signaling it's ready for the next step. To initiate pairing, you have two main options. You can either open and then close the battery compartment of your sound processor, waiting about 10 seconds in between, or simply press the pairing button on your sound processor for approximately 2 seconds. Once your sound processor is in pairing mode, place it right next to your Mini Mic 2, ensuring they are no more than 10 centimeters apart. You'll know the pairing is successful when the indicator light on your Mini Mic 2 changes from blinking to a solid green. Simultaneously, your sound processor will play a distinct short melody or a series of beeps, confirming the connection. Once paired, the Mini Mic 2 can transmit clear audio to your sound processor from a distance of up to 25 meters in an open environment, offering great flexibility. If you encounter any issues during pairing, first ensure both your Mini Mic 2 and sound processor are fully charged, then simply repeat the pairing steps. To prevent interference, try to keep other wireless devices at least 1 meter away during the process. Remember, while a single Mini Mic 2 can be paired with multiple sound processors, it will only connect to one at any given time for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.